Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenaga Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC mentah kasi ula Plie patba ya ke Loyola block Jong ke Xavier'S College ha Umoid Maukerwat ha Southwest Khasi Hills District mat kumju ru ya ke jing elek kai Mamma Mia. Hakane ka program la yadon langru u Deputy Commissioner Jong ke Southwest Khasi Hills District uba B Maulong unong yalam ke BJP but u retired u IAS officer uba M Kharkrang u principal ke Xavier'S College u Father Augustine Sunny ki keme ki khpa bat ki khna school ki reu pau khmat ka than Maukerwat bat ki we de ki he officer sarkar habagran hakane ke jingelang uba ALHEC ulayaro e ke Xavier'S College kabalatay ya kajing long scam jong ikna school bat khamtam e kajing penroy ya ki sap ki phong she ki samla pule ki badan sap ula kentu ki samla pule bakin so tho bha ya kanu ka phang bat kanu ka subject baki dan kam ban pule da ka ba pet bania ya kajing dawa jong ki kam ha kane ka si kala don ru kajing pen ko burami ki samla pule ki bala pass bha mat yo distinction ha ki subject ba phera ha ki exam bala pelong da kane hu.
Today, the 9 August 2025, it's my privilege and honor to inaugurate this Loyola College of St. Xavier'S.
Please give a huge round of applause.
Honorable Guest of Honor, Shri B. Maulong, IAS Deputy Commissioner, Southwest Khasi Hills, Reverend Father Sunny, Principal St. Xavier'S College, dignitaries, my dear friends and students. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched Nashamuk Bharat Abhiyan, Drug Free India on 15 August 2020 to commemorate the 5th anniversary. The ministry organized landmark event in collaboration with various stakeholders, departments like schools and colleges. So as we stand up here today, let us all of us take the pledge to make our India free from drugs. So I will just read out this pledge as I recite. Please follow after me. I pledge that I will do everything possible to the best of my ability to make my country drug free. Jai Hind. Thank you all. Please be seated.
Teachers and non-teaching staff, our dear students, particularly our parents, who really brought out a beautiful life for the children. When I was traveling from Shillong to Umoid, Southwest Khasi Hills, it was completely cloudy and dark. I was surprised when I'll go there with so confident that I'll speak this is what But now when I reach here, that's completely, I don't know how to express also. You know, when I saw the completely dark, when I reach here, the complete sunshine and lights we can see in this St. Xavier College. So we congratulate to the all who has really conceptualized for this program today, and particularly to Basain Marwin, who has really wonderfully choreographed this act, which is, I feel that I'm not in the Umoid, but I am in the California, the film city of your United States. Really, I forgot myself that I am here in Southwest Castile. For the moment, I am here in the California, in the film city of Hollywood film city of United States. I really appreciate and admire the way they act, Father. I don't know who has conceptualized the entire show. So not beautifully done, but excellence, I can use the word. Excellence has been done. I don't, Father, this one has to be showcased. It should not be end only the Southwest Casinos. We'll have the opportunity. Obviously and definitely we'll have the opportunity. We are also the creator. We'll create something, the opportunity for your students. So talented, the way they have acted, unbelievable that we are here in the Southwest Casinos. And I'm thankful the parents also, who really send your children to one of the jewels, the institutions that is here in the Southwest Casinos. Father, when we are talking about some time back about the skill developments, how to create the personality. That is the need of the hour, the need of the day. That we have seen today, many of our students, our children, they don't understand how to choose their academic, how to choose their field. But when I've seen today, they are very self-confident. Everybody has self-confidence, every one of you. It is so talented. And I really must put a record start to congratulate to each one of you. I used to tell in the other school, when to attend the other school in Shillong, another part of Shillong, I said that when you are sending your students to study for any academic future career, you should have the demand driven. The demand driven in the market today is very important. The students should understand which field, which subject to study, where the demand drivens are available in the market. So that is very important.
Blessing to me, to my family, and to our college. I am also deeply grateful to my parents for the hard work and sacrifices in supporting my education. A special thanks to my teacher, Ms. Suzanne Farasani. Without their support and the encouragement of all my teachers, I wouldn't have standing here today. I feel truly blessed and deeply honored to celebrate this milestone with all of you. It is because of the constant support, values, guidance of this esteemed institution that I have been able to reach this level of success. I joined this institution in 2020, and from the very beginning, I felt at home. I want to express my heartfelt thanks to Father Paul Guello, Sasain, Father David, Father George, for the warm welcome and care. To all my teachers, past and present, thank you for creating an environment where learning was filled with encouragement and free from fear. St. Xavier's College Umoid is not just an academic institution. It is a nurturing ground for character, values, and personality development. We are not just taught to study, but to reflect, to serve, and to lead. This college, under the guidance of Jesuits, upholds the mission of forming men and women for others. The Jesuit tradition of excellence matches, and that is exactly what I have experienced here. The emphasis on holistic education, spiritual, intellectual, emotional, social, has helped me grow not just as a student, but also as a human being. Looking back, I see how much I have grown, not just academically, but also emotionally and socially. The values I have learned here, discipline, compassion, courage, confidence, have shaped the person I am becoming. I truly feel blessed to have chosen this institution for my academic journey. I am sure that if I have chosen any other institution, I would not have reached this level of success. Thank you so much, St. Xavier's, for shaping me to the person I am becoming today. Thank you so much for the Society of Jesus for choosing this place. To our respected Principal, Farasani, Vice Principal, Sister Bless, all our dedicated teachers, and the Student Council, and especially to our chief guests. Thank you for your presence and for your continuing to inspire us with your example of service and leadership. To my juniors, you have chosen the right place. Cherish every moment here and make the most of every opportunity this institution offers or any other platform offer, whether in academic, sports, leadership, or any field you love. Remember the Xavier'S spirit of excellence in everything you do. As I move forward, I'll carry the name and values of St. Xavier's with pride. It is now my responsibility to live out those values and to serve others with the same spirit of humility and dedication that I have witnessed here. Let us all continue to strive for excellence, remain rooted in our values, and never forget where we came from. I am truly grateful for everyone who has worked with me in this journey. As I step forward into the next chapter of my life, I promise to carry the Xavier'S spirit wherever I go. Once a Xavier'ite, always a Xavier'ite. Thank you, and may God bless you all.